Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I'm introducing you to the Amantii Xtra-slim Symmetry series, so the Sym-Slim series of extra slim linear fireplaces. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a few other models that you could compare this to. The Amantii Sym-Slim series is, as its name says, extra slim. So a standard linear electric these days fits into a 2x6 wall. Extra slim ones are made for 2x4 walls. So your standard, for most homes, standard 4-inch wall space. So there are some features that are a little different about an extra slim fireplace, and the Amantii Sym-Slim series is no different. First of all, you're going to notice that the border around the Sym-Slim series is slimmer than the regular Amantii Symmetry series, which has that 2-inch picture frame border around the viewing area. Here you see about a 1-inch border. The other thing you'll notice is on a typical Amantii linear fireplace, the glass is tilted back, but that's because they have the space to do that. With the Sym-Slim series, this glass is upright, as it is on most linear electric fireplaces. So a little bit of a slight difference there. And then your heat is going to come out this slot, which is a little more typical of a linear electric fire. With Amantii, very often on their other linear models, the glass tilts back and the heat comes out from underneath the frame. This is a little bit different because there's only 4 inches to play with here. You're going to notice that the flame I have set up here is yellow, so a nice natural color. But Amantii is known for giving you colored flames, and so you can add in orange and red and make them more intense. Where that's really useful, first of all, this is an indoor-outdoor rated fireplace. So most Amantii fireplaces are rated for indoor-outdoor use these days, and this is no different. This could be outdoors. When you have this outdoors and you're competing with strong sunlight, you're going to possibly need that more intense flame color. But likewise, indoors, if you have a really bright sunny room that you're going to be putting this in and you plan to use it during the day, a lot of condos fall into this category. You've got the option to have a more intense flame color, and you can certainly tone that down if you don't need it and stick with a natural yellow color. You also have a color here on the crystals, and it's not actually coming from below, it's coming from above, so there's a light that shines down. I can turn it off, or I can change colors and hit those crystals with different colors depending on the mood that I'm trying to set. You will also notice that inside here we have small crystal pieces. With an extra slim fireplace, your media choices for inside are going to be limited. With a 6-inch fire, often there are logs that will fit inside on the media tray. They may or may not come with the fireplace, but there are log kits you can add. When you have a fireplace where the entire depth is only 4 inches, there isn't a lot of space left on that media tray. So typically you'll get the small crystals. Amantii does make one extra slim log set that could fit inside here. Otherwise, you need to be very cautious when you're buying a log set or media for an extra slim linear. You've only got about 1 inch on that media tray, and most of the log sets will not fit. If you're going to mix and match your logs from other manufacturers, make sure it was designed for an extra slim fireplace so that they will fit on that tray. So just a little tip there. You can certainly swap out these crystals for other crystals or small pebbles, but it has to physically fit on a very slim media tray. So keep that in mind. This does have a heater, of course, like all electrics. It's 120 volts, so the heater would give you enough warmth to take the chill off a room about up to 400 square feet. And like all electrics, you do not have to have the heater on to have the flames on. If it's a warm summer day and you want the fire, you can run it without the heater. When you need heat, you have that option. So total year-round use. Your remote would look like this. So I've got all my color controls. The flame speed can also be controlled. So I can slow it down, I can speed it up. So you've got a few options with the flame speed. So there's a lot of versatility here to set the fireplace up the way you like to see the fireplace. Other models that I would compare this to in the extra slim category would be the Napoleon Alluravision CHS for Slim series and the Modern Flame Spectrum Slimline or SPS series. Those are also built for a 2x4 installation, and they are in that extra slim category. So you've got a few selections there that you can compare if that's what you need. Generally speaking, we do recommend that if you've got space for a deeper fire, it's not a big difference between 4 inches and 6 inches. If you're building fresh and you've got space for 6, you will generally get more features, you'll have more options for the media kit, and sometimes you'll have better flame quality, and that depends on the manufacturer. So just keep it in mind, but there are a growing number of extra slim units for those who only have 4 inches to play with. So again, it's the Amantii Sym-Slim. You can find all of our extra slim linears on stylishfireplaces.ca. You can shop by brand or search by style and look for linear in-wall fireplaces.